Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. So for today I'll be showing how to highlight and contour with the LA Gold Pro concealers. Starting with the shade Natural, I'm applying this in an upside down triangle underneath my cheekbones, on the bridge of my nose and the tip of my nose, as well as on the other side, underneath my nose, chin and on my forehead. Then for my contour, I'll be taking the shade Chestnut and I'm applying this on the outside perimeters of my face, on my cheekbones, as well as on my jawline. Then moving to my nose, I'm applying this on the sides of my nose, as well as down to the creases of my nose. Then taking a beauty blender, I'm just blending the highlight on my chin and underneath my nose. Then taking the Catrice shading brush, I am first blending on my forehead, down the temples of my face, as well as my cheekbones. This will give you a nice and precise blended contour. Then I'm making sure I'm blending up to the hairline as well as the jawline and down my neck. Then I'm blending this all together with my beauty sponge, just making sure everything is nice and blended and seamless. Then I'm pinching my brush and I'm just blending that contouring shade on my nose. Make sure to blend up towards the brow bone or the crease of the eyes. This will make the look a bit more natural. Then I'm taking the beauty blender and I'm just blending the highlighting shade into the contour, and as well as blending underneath my eyes. And then I'm just blending the highlighting shade that I put underneath the contour. This will make the contour pop a little bit more, making it look a little bit more snatched. Then I'm setting my face with the LA Gold Pro powder and a angled fluffy brush. I'm just placing this underneath my eye to set that concealer. You can also blend out the concealer before setting it so it doesn't crease, as well as on my forehead, the chin, around my mouth and on my nose. And then I'm also placing this underneath the cheekbones just to set the highlighting shade so it doesn't fade, as well as on my eyes. Then I'm taking the LA Gold Brick Collection in the shade Spice and I'm taking the bronzing shade to warm up my face. I'm placing this where I did the contour. This will set the contour obviously, as well as creating a bit more warmth to the face and also just making your cheekbones pop a little bit more. I am then pinching the brush and just shading the sides of my nose. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.